Hey, it's Justin from Braithwaite Realty with your Bronx market update for October 2025. Last month we talked about major price growth alongside some early warning signs. The data from September shows those warning signs have become a reality, painting a picture of a market that is correcting and rebalancing. Let's get into it. First up, prices. The median sales price for a 2 to 4 family home was $880,000 in September. That's a 7.4% drop from last month's $950,000, and it also puts us 7.4% below this same time last year. However, it's important to look at this in the context of the past 12 months. Prices have been fluctuating in a range mostly between the high 800s and a peak of 950,000, which we've hit 3 separate times. So this isn't necessarily a market shift, but rather a return to the lower end of our established trading range. The long-term appreciation remains strong with a 5-year compound annual growth rate of 5.1%. Now let's look at 2 data points that reveal a key paradox in today's market. First, the speed of sales. The average time to get a signed contract held steady at 40 days. The trend over the past 12 months shows a clear gradual slowdown. This by itself would suggest a cooling market. But at the same time, the intensity of competition has actually increased. Homes sold for an average of 98.6% of the asking price, up from last month and significantly higher than last year, which suggests a heating market. So what does this paradox mean? It means the market has become highly selective. Overpriced listings are sitting on the market longer, which pulls the average days on market up. However, for homes that are priced correctly, intense buyer demand is also leading to strong competitive offers very close to the asking price. Now, quick side note, if you're thinking about selling or just curious what your property is worth, I could put together a detailed market report for you. Just reach out. My contact information is in the description below. Now, finally, inventory. The number of homes for sale dropped to 387 in September. That's down 2.3% from last month and a significant 6.5% from last year. This tightening supply is the key reason why correctly priced homes are still selling for very close to their asking price despite the drop in the median sales price. So sellers, the combination of tight inventory and a high sale price to list price ratio shows there is high demand for well-priced homes. However, the slowing sales pace is a warning that overpriced homes are sitting longer. And buyers, the slower sales pace gives you some breathing room, but the high sale to list ratio shows that when a well-priced home appears, you must be prepared to act decisively. Want to know how to navigate this market? Reach out and I'll run the numbers for you. And make sure to subscribe so you don't miss next month's update. I'll see you then.